Hello, this is Skylar Rodriguez. It is February 7th, 2018, and I will be doing the week 5 lab experiment. So the first thing I did was get 6 Durham and 2 dropper pipettes into some alcohol, and that's off to the side over here. I have my candle lit, so what I'm going to do first is take my number 1, right here. Okay, so I'm going to take my number 1 Cerevisiae tube and open that up. So I'll first flame the lip of this to sterilize. Set that off to the side. And what I'm going to do is take the glucose powder and I'm going to transfer half of this into the Cerevisiae. So just half of it. No, it doesn't want to go. Hold on. Okay. There it goes. So we're going to put the powder in here. More. Okay, that should be about half. Okay. And then I'm going to cover this up. Yeah, okay. And I'm going to do it. Yeah, okay. So then I'm going to cover this up and I'm going to shake it until all the powder dissolves. Okay. All right. So I'm going to do that for all tubes. So that will go off to the side. So then the rest of the glucose powder will go into the number 1 S epidermidis tube. So I'm going to do the same for this. So I'm going to flame the lip to sterilize. And I'm going to take the rest of that glucose powder and that will be transferred here. That went a lot easier. And shake this up until all the powder is dissolved. Okay. So then I'm going to continue that with the number 2s and number 3s. So the next ones would be the number 2 S epidermidis and S cerevisiae. So now it'll be fructose. So let me just flame these real quick. And just flame this one as well so it goes by faster. Okay. So then I'm going to take the fructose powder and do the same thing as with the glucose. I'm going to do half and half. So I'll put half of the powder that one doesn't want to go. like the powder is kind of stuck on there. Break it up a little. Okay. So half of the powder in here. And then we'll do the rest in here. Okay, close that up. And this one will be for this. Shake until the powder is dissolved. And same with this. Okay. And then we'll do the last one. Just gonna break this powder up beforehand. Alright. So then we'll take so now we're doing the number 3 S epidermis tubes. So flame those. And flame this one as well. So now we're doing the mannitol. So same thing, so half in here. And then the rest in here. Okay. And again, shake it up. Make sure all the powder is dissolved. Same with this one. Okay, so now all the tubes all the tubes have the powder in them. So now what I'm going to do is do the Durham tubes. So I have those in alcohol. So let me get, we'll get the first ones. So we're going to insert the Durham tubes and make sure there's no air. So let me just get the first one, and we're going to shake to dry all the alcohol off. And then we're going to insert the